Hey, it's Ryan Valance here. Just wanted to let you guys know about this new YouTube channel I'm starting up today. It's called So Many Smiles. I just want to let you guys know about it. The videos are basically going to come every day, and the So Many Smiles it's just going to be our family laughing, cutting up, smiling, having a good time. And we want to share that with you guys. We want to, have a good time with you guys and some of the people and friends and family we've met along the ways over the years of living in different states. We have all across the states. Some, of our schedules don't mesh very well because there's different time zones and things. So we just want to give you guys something to be able to see that we can kind of communicate in our own way and just say hi and see how we're doing, and sometimes when it's not easy to get a hold of each other, or some people we haven't talked to in a while, we'd love to communicate in a way with. So anyways, get on here, subscribe, whether you're a regular YouTuber or this is the first YouTube video you've ever saw, which is insane because everybody saw at least something on YouTube. But get on, make an account, subscribe. Check us out. Our videos are going to be coming every single day. They'll be posted the night of every day they're recorded. And if you want, leave some comments. We love comments. We love the communication going back and forth. We're doing our best to try to communicate with you guys. Don't be afraid to send us something or let us know how you're doing, or post a link of a video of you guys and let us, you start up a YouTube channel. We'd love that. But anyway.
You guys need to subscribe.
So we'll see you.